Hello, welcome back to another painting video on my YouTube channel. So this time I'm painting a simple tree landscape, and here is the inspiration picture behind this painting. So I really like this picture for its simplicity and that one beautiful tree in the center. So I decided to make this one into a painting. Now the colors in the picture are looking quite dull, but I wanted the painting to look bright in mine. So I have used more lemon yellow and sky blue to paint the background. The elements in this painting are quite simple. There is a fence in the foreground which is bold, then there is one thin delicate fence in the background, and then there is that tree in the center which is like the main element or the main object of our painting. Here I am using light brown and dark brown to show the light and shadow of the tree, and now I am using sap green color to add the foliage of the tree. I am adding the shadow of the fence with light grey, and the ground looks pretty empty, so I am adding some detail with sap green on the ground. I am making vertical strokes with my thin brush with sap green and dark green. After 10 hours of making these grass details on the canvas, I'm moving on to the fence. I'm just kidding, it didn't take 10 hours, maybe 5 minutes, but yeah, you have to keep a lot of patience to make the grass. And now I'm adding some details with these white flowers.